Open Sesame! Welcome to my channel, Genies by AB. Hey, hello guys, it's story time. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Open Sesame!
Hello little learners, come on, let's learn about prepositions today. Do you know what are the preposition of place? It's basically about the position of a noun. When we are talking about the position of any object, that is called the preposition of place. Look at this dog. Can you please tell me the position of a dog? The dog is beside the ball. The dog is beside the ball. Now look at the dog. Where is the dog? Can you tell me? Where is the dog? The dog is in front of the doghouse. The dog is in front of the doghouse. Come on, move forward. Now tell me, where is the dog? Where are you, dog? Yay, here it is. Now the dog is behind the doghouse. The dog is behind the doghouse. Move forward. Now where is the dog? The dog is in between doghouse and tree. There is a doghouse on the one side and there is a tree on the other side. So the dog is in between the doghouse and the tree. Now move forward. Where is the dog? Aha! The dog is on the doghouse. Now the dog is on the doghouse. Move forward. Now where is the dog? The dog is having some rest. Where is the dog? The dog is sitting under the tree. The dog is under the tree. Oh, what is this beautiful colorful object? I think so, this is butterfly. Where is the butterfly? The butterfly is above the dog. The butterfly is above the dog. Look at this beautiful butterfly. The dog is in the house. The dog is in the house. Thank you so much.